Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15BW025NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue where your HP 15BW025NS only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle. This typically occurs due to a faulty charging port, often caused by wear and tear or a loose connection. If left unattended, it can lead to complete charging failure, leaving your laptop unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement charging port. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully opening the laptop. Use the plastic prying tool to gently separate the base from the top, taking care not to damage any clips or the casing. Once opened, locate the charging port. It's usually situated near the power input on the motherboard. Inspect it for any visible damage or loose connections. To replace it, unscrew the screws securing the charging port using your Phillips screwdriver. Make a note of where each screw comes from, as they can vary in size. Gently disconnect any cables connected to the charging port, taking care to avoid pulling on nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old port, take your new charging port and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring you apply the right amount of force to avoid stripping the screws. Reconnect any cables you had detached, making sure they fit snugly in place. Before closing the laptop, double-check that everything is securely connected and that there are no loose parts. Carefully align the base and top of the laptop, pressing down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Now, plug in your charger and check if your laptop is charging correctly. If it is, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, be sure to handle your charging cable gently and avoid yanking it out abruptly. Keeping the charging port clean and free from dust can also prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.